Hi everyone, myself Vinod Kumar. I have been posting a series of videos about digital marketing, and in my previous couple of videos I was talking about how to improve organic search ranking, how posting high quality content and targeting keywords which people searched in the search engines help to improve the organic search ranking. Today, we are going to see how improving the user experience and ensuring the site responsiveness helps to improve the organic search ranking. How to improve user experience? There are multiple ways. We are going to talk about one by one. Before we are going to the ways, I am going to tell you the recommendation from Google. Google recommends to have good content and good user experience. If you are having good content and good user experience, your site is going to rank high in the search engine search results. Having a stellar user experience always helps us to bring our website high in the search engine search ranking. There are multiple ways we can improve the user experience. I'm going to talk about that one by one. Have small and readable paragraph. Add headings to the paragraph. Add pictures as a visual representation of your content. Have your site speed high. Make the site load quickly. These four ways will improve the user experience. Don't have the lengthy paragraph. If you want to tell something through content, have short and sweet paragraphs. Have only 4 lines of paragraphs. Add heading to that so people know that they are going to read this before going to read. Have the pictures which is describing the paragraph. That is going to tell you having the picture in the paragraph whether the person is reading the paragraph or not reading. By seeing the picture they have to understand what they are going to read or what is in that content. Make your site speed high. So obviously when the site is loading quickly there is less bounce rate that makes the user experience good. By doing all the four you can make the user experience good. Ensure the site is mobile responsive. Nowadays, having a mobile responsive or responsive site is very much important. Let me tell you by statistics. 63% of search is happening in US through mobile device. 60% of search is happening through mobile device all over the world. So having the mobile responsive site is very much important in modern day marketing. This is how you can improve the organic search ranking high. So by publishing high quality content, targeting the keywords which people search in the search engines, improving the user experience and having the mobile responsive site will improve the organic search rankings. There are multiple other ways also. We will be seeing that one by one in our next videos. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.